Imagine entering a realm where reality merges with the boundless potential of the digital world. This is the dawn of virtual real estate, not a mere fantasy from science fiction. Here, investors are not just buying pixels, they're stepping into a new digital frontier. Virtual real estate offers a novel platform for passive income, redefining property ownership in our digital era. It stands as a beacon for those seeking to diversify their portfolios with the future of investment in mind. These digital spaces, once simple escapes, have evolved into bustling centers of commerce and innovation. Owning a piece of this evolving landscape may seem intangible, yet its impact is profound, echoing the early days of the internet. Join us as we delve into the mechanics and potential of virtual land investment, exploring this frontier of opportunity and envisioning the future of digital assets. Virtual land transcends mere digital space. It's a frontier ripe with innovation, creativity, and significant income potential. Understanding how virtual real estate revolutionizes investment and asset ownership is key. Freed from geographical and tangible constraints, virtual land promises unlimited customization and revenue generation opportunities. Imagine acquiring digital terrain where you can construct, host events, or rent space, generating tangible income. The success stories in virtual land are compelling, offering flexibility and lower costs compared to physical real estate, yet similar strategic management for income generation. The differences and similarities between virtual and traditional real estate highlight a shared focus on location, development, and management, but with the added advantage of global reach through virtuality. Overcoming skepticism is vital as we further explore how digital real estate investment can result in successful ventures, underscoring a dynamic shift in perceiving value and opportunity in our connected world. Delve deeper into the realm of virtual real estate investment, where innovation often meets skepticism. Despite doubts about digital land's authenticity and profitability, expert insights and success stories illuminate a path of potential. Virtual land holds tangible economic value, fostering creativity, entrepreneurship, and passive income opportunities. Experts debunk myths, revealing a canvas for limitless opportunity, supported by triumphant investor stories navigating this digital terrain. As skepticism fades, the horizon of digital investment brightens, revealing untold opportunities. Embracing digital spaces today paves the way for a prosperous future, blending virtual and tangible realms into a landscape brimming with possibilities. In our journey through the digital era, it's evident that the forefront of investment extends beyond the physical. The consensus among experts is clear. The future of investment is digital, with virtual real estate at the vanguard of growth. Understanding emerging trends is crucial for staying ahead in this innovative financial landscape, offering more than mere space, but a domain of endless potential and opportunities for passive income. Early adopters gain a unique advantage to shape its future, navigating today's trends to become tomorrow's staples. As we delve into actionable insights and practical steps for engaging with this exciting market, remember that the realm of digital investment is vast, with boundless possibilities awaiting those bold enough to explore. The path to becoming a virtual landlord begins with a single step towards understanding the foundational aspects of digital real estate investment. With a landscape as vast as it is ripe with opportunity, the journey requires diligence, research, and a visionary approach. A wealth of resources, from blockchain guides to virtual real estate forums, stands ready to empower your decision-making. As we unveil the narrative of digital investment, remember, knowledge is a formidable ally, and the community of virtual investors an invaluable resource. Embark on your investment journey today, tapping into the realm where digital assets unlock innovation and income potential like never before.